welcome to Road Rush Nation. In this episode, we're going to share our experience of loading our Harleys on a cruise ship in Puerto Rico. Yeah, you could do these amazing tours pre-COVID. There used to be a company called ETA Motorcycle Cruises out of Nashville. They did these amazing tours where you could take your Harley on all these amazing islands. Our particular cruise was from Puerto Rico, St. Maarten and St. Kitt. It was amazing. We rode our Harleys around each of these islands and just had some amazing experiences. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I'm thrilled to share with all of you. We made some amazing memories and gained some lifelong friends from this. There's so much to share, but for now, here's what it's like to load a Harley on a cruise ship. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of this amazing island adventures. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss our next episode as we ride the islands. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.